Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a few really easy breakfast ideas that are high in protein and fiber. Protein helps with satiety and stable blood sugars, and fiber provides energy throughout the day. Let's start the day off right. Let's go. It's tough to find time to make a healthy breakfast most mornings. But if you can find just a few minutes, you can make something really good like these breakfast cookies. My mom used to make these when I was growing up, but now I make them for myself. They're so chewy and delicious. And they're actually quite easy to make. Begin by creaming together half a cup of butter and half a cup of brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then add 1 large egg and beat well. In a separate bowl, mix together 3 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Stir in 1/2 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Roll the dough into 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball, then flatten each ball into a cookie shape. Place the cookies onto an ungreased baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges of the cookies are lightly brown. Makes 12 cookies. 1 small cookie contains about 190 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. Another option is to make a breakfast casserole. This is one of my favorites because you can make it ahead of time and it's so versatile. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. In a large bowl, combine 1 pound of ground turkey, sausage or bacon with 1 chopped onion, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 red bell pepper. If you're looking for something on the lighter side, try this sweet and savory oatmeal. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 1/2 cups of milk, a half a cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes or until the oats are tender. Remove from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Makes 2 servings. 1 serving contains approximately 290 calories, 18 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fiber. All these recipes are so delicious and easy to make. But if I had to pick my favorite, it would have to be the breakfast cookies. There's just something about a warm cookie in the morning that makes me feel so cozy and satisfied. Plus, they're so versatile. You can add different mix-ins like chocolate chips, peanut butter, or even pumpkin. And now it's your turn. What are some of your favorite high-protein and fiber breakfast ideas? Share your ideas in the comments below. And be sure to check out another video on my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.